Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Here is your sneak peek video. I know it's a little late, but we're going to go through all the items we're going to sell on 10/16 of 2020. Okay, here we go. So number one is a red pocket organizer for $10. Number two, orange pillowcases for $5. Number three, a K garden flag. It's monogrammed with the letter K, $5. Number four, solar lights. We have two available at $5 a piece for the solar lights.
They're actually for the set.
Oh, $5 for the set of the solar lights. Number five, we have jewelry for a loved one's ashes, $15. Number six is a craft bundle for $20. Number seven looks really fun. It's a set of twin fitted sheets, XO all over it. What the outside of the bag is, it's bed sheets, twin fitted bed sheet, $10 for number seven. Number eight looks like a Minnie Mouse pink stool, $10. Number nine, a gray and white bath rug set for $15. Number 10, a set of inflatable guitars. They're mini 14-inch guitars, $5 for all of them. Number 11, mini lightsaber toothpicks for $15. You get the whole bag of them. So those would be really fun on a cake or cookies or anywhere you want to put them. Number 12, on You Sleep travel pillow. We have two available. It's kind of a neck pillow for traveling. Number 13 is our essential oils. We have six available at $15 a piece. Number 14 is a truck cargo net for $10. Number 15 is our Creed Love in White perfume for $100 a piece. We have three of them available. Number 16 is Vapo Steam for $5. We have multiple packs of those, $5 per box. Number 17 is our triangle shade that we've got there that you can put outside shade, triangle stretchable shade.
This one is the, where's the size there? That is 12 by 12 by 17. 12
by 12 by 17 shade, triangle shade. Number 18 is a Kate Spade candle, really pretty, $5. Number 19 are the Angel Wing candle holders that we unboxed yesterday on the live stream for $10. Number 20 is a new vitamin C serum. It's a brightening serum for $15. We have multiple of those available. Number 21 is a Star Master nightlight for $20. Number 22 is this amazing black lamp. Look at it. It's got kind of a screened type of shade, cool wood grain on the bottom, really nifty looking, and that is $40 for number 22. Number 23 is a teal tablecloth for $5. Number 24 are these awesome Joy to the World signs, $15 a piece, and we have five of them available. Then we've got number 25, 3D glasses for $40. Then number 26 is this awesome red tote, comes with a scoop, perfect for any kind of candy, cereal, dog food, anything you want to use it for, $5 for the red tote and the scoop. Number 27 are our little arrow throwing knives for $5 a piece, six of them available. Then we have this awesome recycle pop-up bin, number 28 for $10. Then number 29 is this cool groovy Iron Man clock for $15 only. Isn't that a fun piece? Number 30 is an American flag piece of wall art from my artist. It is one of the Draper Originals, $20. It does have a hanger on the back to hang it up. It's on a wood grain as well. So number 31 is a tool bag for $5. Nice handy tool bag. Number 32 is another one from my artist. It's a Paris light colored wall art for $20. There's another Paris one coming up soon. Number 33 is a pumpkin flag for $5, kind of one of those garden flags. Number 34 is Molten Brown perfume, $25 a piece. There are four of them available. You get this gorgeous gift box. Number 35 is a mosaic diffuser. It's a beautiful blue mosaic with essential oils, $35 for the entire set. Comes with the oils. Number 36 is a pair of grass shearers, really awesome set, brand new, never been used, $10. Number 37 is another Paris dark colored wall art, has kind of the Paris streets on it, $20, and it is on a piece of wood. Number 38 is a DECOR flag bundle for $10.
Should be 4 flags.
4 flags in the bundle, yep.
Season.
Number 39 is a gift box set. So this is the largest piece, and I believe there are 2 other sizes inside, $10. Number 40 is the Givenchy perfume. Finally figured out how to say that, for $40. 4 of them available. Number 41 is this cool set of wave wall art pieces. $15. You get all 4 pieces to kind of put on your wall. $15. Number 42 are the Blatos Pokemon ball. It's a light up Pokeball glass, and it's $10 a piece, and we have 4 of them available. I will get them out and display them tomorrow. Number 43 is this amazing piece of barnwood that is crafted into a shelf from a 100-year-old barn that is actually just a few miles from here. So it has amazing patina. It's a 30-inch barnwood shelf for $35, and you can see the cool brackets that are attached. We will unscrew those to ship it, but it's a beautiful piece for $35. Number 44 is a sink that sits right on top of the countertop for $40. Number 45 is a cool sign for $15. You are my sunshine. $15 white sign, and it has a holder so it sits on a coffee table. Number 46 is love you to the moon and back. $15 as well for that sign as well, and it sits up right. Number 47, this is a very expensive $100 vase, but we're only selling it for $50. It is a L'Italia glass vase, very, very Alvar Aalto collection, a very, very famous glass sculptor, and it's going to be $50. Number 48 is this table runner for $5. Number 49 is the garment steamer for $15. Then number 50 is this mud pan set. You get both of them for $10. There's 2 of them there. 10 inches long. Number 51 are these awesome gnome lamps, and they're actually mirror images of each other. So if you want both of them, then you'll have to bid number 51 times 2. They're $150 a piece, but they do light up on the inside, and it's a perfectly good working lamp. And he did change it to have a live edge base here. So it does have a live edge base. There's a light that comes out the hole there, and also the regular lamp light under the shade. So gnome lamps, $150. Number 52, we have the Old Holy Night sign. We're trying to get into the Christmas spirit. 5 of them available for $15. Number 53 is a craft lot that's only going to be $10. So a less expensive craft lot, but it's got a lot of fun things in it. Number 54 is our Tequila Gold men's cologne, $45. 4 of them available. Number 55 is this green and orange flag for $5. Number 56 is a cool screen canopy for $30.
It's 20 by 20 by 20.
20 by 20 by 20 is the canopy. Number 57 is a cool pair of hydraulic pliers. $30 for the hydraulic pliers, number 57. Then next we have this cool bitter apple dog medicine. It's basically you put it on your dog so they stop scratching and itching places like a healing wound and things like that. $15. We have 2 of them available. They're normally around $25 to $30. Number 59 are the big Purell bottles, $15 a piece. We have 2 available. Number 60 is a vitamin C mask for $10. Number 61 is a photo studio box, perfect for the reseller, or if you just want to put really good pictures of your jewelry, smaller pieces, $10. It has an LED light that is in it. Number 62 for $10 is a set of Clinique makeup face wash stuff. Number 63 is purple nail polish. It looks black, but is actually a very deep purple. $5. You get 5 bottles of polish, so $1 a bottle. And we have multiple sets of those. Number 64 is a gray rug for $5.
It's a bath rug.
A bath rug, yeah, bath mat. Number 65 is a stain remover for $15. This whole pack, and it says various different stains. Number 66 is the baby Brezza for $50, basically the baby Keurig. So we have one of those available again. Number 67 is a blue bath shower mat for $5. Then if you don't like blue, you can get the pink bath mat for number 68 for $5, or just do his and hers bathrooms. Number 69 is a pink ribbon lot. So these are large ribbons, easy to make for gifts for Christmas, $20. Number 70, our barn is a huge barn light, a huge barn light for $25. Big spotlight, brand new. Number 71. Oh yeah, we're gonna look at the barn light real fast.
I'm just trying to close the box.
Okay. Number 71 is this really cool kind of crystallized looking hanging ball light. I think when you covered it up, it lit up. Here. Did it light up when you covered it up? Okay, it glows blue in different colors. So it's a solar ball light, $10 for number 71. Number 72 is L'Oreal makeup. It basically is a spray on to keep your makeup put. And so you get both of the bottles for $10. We have 2 sets of those. Number 73 has 2 of those pots in this box. So you will get 2 of those gray planter pots for $40. So one of those pots normally would cost $35, but we're selling both of them for $40. Number 74 is a dark score dry erase board master set. Dart master set, $5 for that. Number 75 are, of course, the Friday the 13th Jason masks and machetes foam for $10. Those are really fun. You have to wear a mask anyway. Might as well buy one. And then we have this amazing last thing on the list is number 76. Number 76 is this Gretsch guitar. And if you're interested in it, check out my Facebook page, Hooked on Pickin' Facebook page. There is a video of it being played by one of our guys at church. Sounds amazing. Does have a plug-in for the amplification of it, or can be played acoustic. But it's a Gretsch, really nice old body style, tuned with a high. Said the pickup is set up real high, but it sounds beautiful. So it does. Yeah, it's the plastic that's covering the that piece there. So it's a nice, beautiful piece. $500 is what we're asking for that. It's normally going for $640. So hopefully you guys find something amazing on the fire sale tomorrow. So we'll see you at noon Central Standard Time for the fire sale. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.